Today unboxing is on the latest Dream Tomica release. These are the 7-Eleven Japan exclusive. You can see 2 repeat casting there from the very initial release. What I'm really excited about is the MR2 from Kogashiwa. He's a new entry for the Dream Tomica series with a totally new casting. The rest are the repeat casting, the famous Tofu car, and also Riot RX7. I did a full walkthrough of my initial D collection before. I think I'm still short of one. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the famous Tofu car from Takumi Fujiwara. Apart from the character illustration style, I can't see any difference. Maybe a slight tweak in the description, and that's it. For your info, Tomica will not miss the Tofu car for every single initial D release because it's a very popular car for new collectors who has missed the AE86. It's a casting with no surprise with the static opening headlights, standard factory suspension, painted rear lights, and also the opening doors on both sides. Not much difference with the previous release, but very happy to add this casting to my collection. Next, the Riot Red Suns FC3S. Also similar casting with maybe some slight variation with the very initial Dream Tomica regular release for the RX7, static opening headlights, painted rear lights, standard factory suspension, and also opening doors on both sides. TLV also just released a similar RX7, which is very awesome. This is a simplified version of that. Next, the long-awaited MR2 SW20 from Kogashiwa, who is a very experienced street racer, but of course looks out to Takumi. I believe this MR2 belonged to his father in the manga. Awesome paint job on the body. The blue looks premium with pearl finish. Unlike the previous 2 casting, the headlight is closed. Comes with a standard factory suspension with no opening features. It has a sharp Toyota logo with painted details on the front. The spoiler comes separately in plastic, which is great. Although there's 2 repeat casting, as an initial D fan and also a Tomica collector, I'm very happy to add this series to my collection. The MR2 is refreshing as compared with the other 2 casting, and I'm glad that this MR2 lived up to my expectation. More Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!